Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be reviewing Pilgrim Alpha Arbutin and Vitamin C Brightening Serum. This serum contains a powerhouse of all amazing active ingredients which all help in clearing out your skin and brightening up your complexion. It's got 2% of alpha-arbutin complex which helps to reduce melanin production, thereby evening out your complexion. So if you have any darkness on your skin, maybe around your mouth, around your nose, if you have any dark spots, those are the areas beneath which there's a lot of melanin production under your skin. So alpha-arbutin helps to reduce that melanin production, thereby evening out your complexion, thereby reducing and fading away those dark spots and all of that pigmentation on your skin. It's got 3% of vitamin C complex which helps to reduce dark spots, sunspots and sun tanning and helps to brighten up your skin. So all the dullness that's there on your skin because of the sun tanning, if you have any sun damage on your skin like sunspots, vitamin C helps to reduce all of that, fade all of that away and helps to brighten up your skin and bring about that radiance and glow on your skin. Also, the serum contains blueberry which has amazing anti-aging properties. Blueberry helps to increase collagen production which thereby helps to fight the early signs of aging, giving you more youthful looking skin. So if you have the formation of fine lines, wrinkles and dullness on your skin, blueberry helps to fight all of that. It helps to reduce the early signs of aging and also helps to prevent the future signs of aging, giving you more younger looking skin. The reason why I love the serum so much is because the combination of actives in the serum works so well together in making your skin more even toned, more youthful and more glowing. So you can use the serum twice a day in your morning as well as in your night skincare regime. I love using this in my morning regime. So I just take 3 to 4 drops of the serum and apply it all over my face and then just gently pat it into my skin until it's absorbed. It's so lightweight, it instantly gets absorbed in my skin, giving me that instant brightness. After applying the serum, I lock it in with the moisturizer. Now, I recommend using either a hyaluronic acid based or a ceramide based moisturizer along with the serum for the best results. And after applying a moisturizer, I top it off with a sunscreen and I make sure to use an SPF of at least 30 because the serum contains active ingredients which make your skin photosensitive. So you want to protect your skin from the sun to prevent any sun damage. Also, I don't recommend using any AHA or BHA based products along with the serum. The serum is cruelty free. It's 100% vegan and it's free from parabens, sulfates and 20 other toxic chemicals. It's a made in India product and it's suitable both for men and women. So in case if you want to purchase this Pilgrim Alpha Arbutin and Vitamin C Brightening Serum, the purchase link is mentioned in the description box below. You can check that out.
You can use my code RIA15 for a 15% off.
It's an amazing serum to brighten up your skin, to make your skin more radiant and more firm and more younger looking and to make it more even toned. So I highly recommend you guys check the serum out. So that was my review on Pilgrim Alpha Arbutin and Vitamin C Brightening Serum. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please hit the like button. Let me know in the comments below what other products would you like me to review from Pilgrim. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.